Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhoda. I'll be showing you how to make tortilla wrap from home. Well, I'm going to be using 350 grams of flour, salt to taste, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to sieve our flour to remove the dirt. Add your salt and mix properly. When you're done, add your olive oil. Mix until you have a crumbly texture. Now you're going to add your water in bits. Do it in bits so that you don't over pour water. We want a dough between soft and a little bit hard. When it's like this, throw it on a work surface and begin to massage it. Now divide your dough into the sizes you want according to the size of your fry pan. Tuck it in and make sure you have a rounded dough so it could easily form a round dough. Sprinkle some flour on the surface and begin to roll it out. Now you can trim off the edges if you want a perfectly rounded dough, or you could leave it like that. Place in a dry pan and heat it up until the back is golden brown. Flip it over and press down when you see some bubbles form at the end. And voila! You've made yourself a beautiful tortilla wrap. Hope you enjoyed this process. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.